class students. Let us come for part 2 video of fractions and decimals. In first part we have already studied, we have already learned about kinds of fractions you have, proper fraction, improper fraction and other stuff. Hope you people have all understood this. Now we'll go with something which is very important in fractions especially, because 50% of your mathematical logic improves from here onwards. Okay, all major topics in future like ratios, percentage, right, algebra, all this contains fractional values. So you have to understand fractional values. I'll start now. Suppose you have a set of numbers, say 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can easily tell that 5 is lesser than 7, or 3 is lesser than 5, or 5 is more than 3. Even if you go to the integers also, you can tell that minus 5 is lesser than minus 3, or minus 3 is greater than minus 9, or something like this. It is very easy to tell. If I give you set of fractional numbers, how are you going to tell me which fraction is greater than the other? So this is very important. Let me give some example and explain. In a class, a teacher declares a slip test marks out of 10. Rule number 1 got say 8 by 10. Rule number 2 got say 2 by 10. Rule number 3 got say 7 by 10. Rule number 4 got 5 by 10. How you are going to know that who got more and who got less? It is very easy, because they are all like fractions. That is by 10, by 10, by 10 and by 10. If you write down this in an order, you can easily come to know. Example, I'll start from the least. 2 by 10 means 2 by 10. Second one, 2 by 10 is lesser than 5 by 10. 5 by 10 is less than 7 by 10, which is lesser than 8 by 10. You can say the least fraction 2 by 7 and the greater fraction is 8 by 10. It is possible only making like fractions. You can easily differentiate the greater fraction in smaller fraction only when the fractions are in the form of like fractions. The denominators are same. Suppose if I give you 2 by 3 and 3 by 5, which fraction is greater? It is difficult, because these two fractions are not like fractions. So you have to make it first like fraction. Then only you can compare with each other which is a greater and which is a smaller fraction. How are you going to compare? Means you have to first make like fractions. Like fractions means denominators are equal. Denominators should be equal. Here you have 2 by 3, another one is 3 by 5. I'll just write it down once again. 2 by 3, 3 by 5. Like fraction means the denominators should be equal. So here you have denominator 3 and here you have denominator 5. They are different. So how you are going to make same denominator? If you multiply this with this, 3 into 5 becomes 15. To this 5, if you multiply to this, it becomes again same 15. Got it? The number, it means what? I'll show it here. 2 by 3, when you multiply with 5 by 5, it becomes, means you have to multiply and divide with the same number. Okay. 2 5s are 10 by 3 5s are 15. And similarly, 3 by 5, you multiply and divide by the denominator 3 here, 3, 3. So it becomes 3, 3 times 9, 5, 3 times is 15. So you got two values. For 2 by 3, you got 10 by 15, and for 3 by 5, you got 9 by 15. Now, you can easily differentiate which fraction is greater. The greater fraction is the one which has a highest numerator value, that is 10 here. So 10 by 15 is greater than 9 by 15. One thing you have learned here is until unless you make fractions, equivalent fractions or say like fractions, it is not possible for you to find it out which fraction is greater than the other. So this is what a simple concept you have to understand. Let us start now while doing and explain how to proceed further. Here, which of these is the smaller fraction? The first one you have it here as 2 by 3, second one is 3 by 7. Let me zoom a little bit so that you can understand much better. 2 by 5, 3 by 7. It is not possible by just seeing the fraction numbers and say this is greater fractional number than this. It is not possible. For that you have to make first like fraction. So how you are going to make a like fractions? Let us do 2 by 5, 3 by 7. I'll do it here. 2 by 5, another one is 3 by 7. To make a like fraction, you please multiply and divide to this fraction by the other fraction denominator, that is 7. So I'll do it. 2 by 5 into 7 by 7. 2 7 times 14, 5 7s are 35. 14 by 35. For this 2 by 5, you got it as 14 by 35. Now for second fraction, you multiply and divide by 5, this denominator of other fraction. So it comes, I'll do it here, 3 by 7 into 5 by 5. 3 5 times 15, 7 5 times 35, 15 by 35. So the other value you got it as 15 by 35. So one is 14 by 35, other one is 15 by 35. It has become a like fractions. I'll just write it down here. 14 by 35. Other one is 15 by 35. Now you can easily able to tell which fraction is greater than the other or which fraction is lesser than the other by just seeing the numerator value. The numerator value which is less in the like fraction, that value you call it as the least or lesser fraction compared to the other. So here is asking which of these is a smaller fraction. So you write down 14 is smaller than 15. That's why 14 by 35 is smaller fraction than 15 by 35. What is 14 by 35 represents to which fraction in the question? 14 by 35 represents to 2 by 5. So you write down an answer. 2 by 5 is smaller fraction. Remember, in this way you are going to explain.